Here we look at paneling the mesh into panels where the panels are going across the mesh. We specify this by clicking on the radio button here. To start, we'll specify that we just want one panel. We select the mesh, then panel the mesh. Now two things happen. In Rhino, we can see that the panel's been drawn out just as we'd expect. The second thing is that MPanel production has warned us that the shear strain tolerance has been exceeded. It's reporting a shear strain of just over 5%, which is above the shear strain warning limit that we've set at 5%. If we knew that our fabric could take a higher shear strain than the 5%, let's say 10% for example, then we could have specified 10% and we wouldn't have got that warning. Let's say our fabric can only take 5%. How can we reduce the shear strain? It's very easy. We make more panels. With more panels, more shaping occurs in the seams and less has to occur in fabric distortion or shear strain. So in Rhino, I'm going to use the undo button to delete the single panel. I'm going to specify 3 panels this time. Select the mesh again, panel the mesh, and this time we're down to 1.5% shear strain. Of course, we've got more panels, but by having more panels, we have more seams, and that allows most of the shaping in the structure to be made inside the seams rather than by distorting the fabric.